guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of the Tuff Collective YouTube channel.
Richie went on Marketplace and sent me something, was like, should I get this? And here we are.
Here we are. So, what did I get? Whoa, hey! Better back up. This guy, what did I get? I got a splitter kit.
So we're going to mount it on the bonnet.
Yeah, on the bonnet.
It's front arrow.
Like this. Give it real eyelashes. We got the front splitter, and we also got the two side skirts. Retail, they're $650, brand new. These ones, they're E-wing, E-wing Aero. And zoom in here, script. Look at that, the plastic is still on it.
Some people had bought it and was like, you know what, they're not as cool as I thought.
Yeah, so now I have them. I'm a P-plater and I want cool stuff. Look at that, they're brand new, not even a scuff on them, never been installed.
You're going to eat a curb with these.
Oh, I'm going to curb out here.
It's coming out
100%. But that's okay.
Because it's all for the vine.
All do it for the vine, and I am going to do it. It came with whatever they are.
Cool P-plate rods.
P-plater rods that we're probably going to paint ourselves.
So we're going to put them on something.
Ain't nothing to it but to let Dan do it. So, step by step is, I don't know, we're going to remove the front bumper, pop the bonnet, remove the front bumper, line it up, screw it on, and then the side skirts are self-tappers. I don't know exactly what that means, but it means something.
Pop the bonnet, Richard.
Yeah. Look at that. What a healthy motor. Just straight bugs in the intake.
Richard.
Mechanic. Sorry, waypole. That's waypole. That's cool. Alright, let's get the bag.
Did we put all the bolts in?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Did we?
I think we did.
I don't think we did. I think there's only 3 bolts holding it on.
You want to test it?
I got
Softly.
Why does it feel like it's still packed?
Don't hit the camera. Womp removal.
Thanks, Min. I'm gonna put this in a safe place.
Nah, there's no screw there.
We took it off for nothing? Oh. Are we just weaklings?
No, I just didn't want to break it because someone was like, please don't do it.
I don't want you to break it, that's a good thing. I don't know about this guy. Alright, you're lucky that I kind of maybe trust you a little bit. Hey, don't scratch it.
Shut the f*** up. The bottom corner on here.
Oh. Yeah,
The bottom at the bottom?
Bottom at the bottom.
Do you like that, or do you want to go more aggressive? I reckon you stick it out like that.
Like that. Leave it hanging by a thread.
Yeah.
The real chin.
Nah, we'll go corner to corner. Like that.
Corner?
Yeah.
Like that?
Let me see what you mean by corner to corner, just so I know that that's what that means. Yeah, I just wanted to check his corner to corner to make sure that it's the same corner to corner that I'm thinking.
Alright, now we drill holes.
Yeah, how do we do that?
With a drill bit.
Let me help you.
No.
Should I be filming this?
Oh, that's my OnlyFans, link in the bio.
Oh.
Not you.
No, I have an OnlyFans.
Huh? What was that? What was that, Richie?
My light not good enough for you? Jesus Christ, it's so bright. Every time I close my eyes, I just see a square of light.
Perry?
Perry?
Perry the platypus?
Perry the platypus. Are we gonna tape it off first?
What do you mean?
The plastic?
How about you?
Do we need to take the plastic off before you just start screwing?
Nah, leave it on.
No! It's not a fridge.
I like it.
No, we're gonna rip the plastic off. Weight reduction.
Mate, you test me.
I'm just a girl anywhere. Ah, dilemma. What do we do? Pull the plastic off.
Why, you want to scratch it?
What do you mean I want to scratch it?
Well, we got to drill the rest of the hole, you idiot.
Yeah, okay, how are we gonna do that?
With the drill.
So how are we lining it up?
You just drill it. You go, damn, that looks good.
Yeah, damn. Oh, do you also hear? The FBI are watching gamers now.
Oh yeah.
So they're tuning into your your messages and your calls. Like,
I've got full access to Discord.
Yeah, how nuts is that? Can't wait to be arrested tomorrow.
Guys, we should start a podcast.
We should start a podcast.
Oh great.
We should
Do you
also
want to do something?
I was actually going to say that. I'm not doing anything right now. Is this doing something?
You got another nut? Okay, thanks, man.
See? This guy, assuming that I just don't have anything, I'm ill prepared.
Would that be wrong to assume? A little bit racist, if you ask me.
Hurry up!
Shut up, you fucking stupid.
All right.
What do you
In
want
the middle.
from me, Dan? In the middle. Oh. Yeah.
Scramble!
Here's how this is going to work.
No, this is how it's going to work. All right. We screw the holes. It lines up.
You go on the other side.
Yep, and I hold it. Wow, round that motherfucker.
Not my cup. Do you want to take the plastic off first?
I did want to take the plastic off.
See how there's a gap here?
Yeah.
So how are we gonna do that?
What do you mean, how are we going to do that?
It's like airflow.
Oh God, how are we going to do that? Wow, that's how we're going to do it?
Yeah, almost like they includes the solution.
I knew that was what
I think this is the solution.
I knew that's what he was going to say. Let me have a look at the photos.
Are they adjustable? I think we just go straight from there.
Well, let me have a look at Mark.
Right there. Which way do you want them to go? That's the hardest question.
I want them to go outwards.
Like that? Or like that?
Whoa. Yeah, that way. That makes it look a bit wider, doesn't it? Yeah, about like there.
Or like that?
Nah, I like outwards more.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, cool. Not that way.
I'm glad it's your cup.
Which way do you think, Daniel?
I don't give a shit on my car.
Which way do you want it to go, Daniel?
I really don't care.
Yes, you do, Daniel.
I think that looks like dog, like a race car.
That's what I said, and you...
Yeah, or do you want it to go like race car?
What
What
would
about-
you, if this was your car,
What
would
about
you
we do one each way? Well, it wouldn't be my car because I wouldn't do it like this.
What would you do it like then?
I would just straight.
Let's look at Daniel's car.
Yeah, let's see which way you do it, Daniel.
I don't know,
Jeez.
man. Honestly, like,
Yeah, go in. No.
because like
No,
that
I
follows
like-
that, but then that's like opposite, and it's like real, you know. It's like when those guys in Japan put the train
Like that,
in.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like against
That
the
kind of looks dope.
Bozuzoku Falcon.
All right, it's decided.
That-
There is good enough.
There is good enough. All right, we'll measure from here how far away
Measure?
there is from there. Because I'm thinking, if we measure from the end from here to here, we can then get there to there.
Yeah, measure.
Okay, I guess not. I don't even know why I try anymore, Diagonal. I really don't. What do we
Just
know?
go something like that. You know what I'm saying? And then when we inverse it over there,
Close enough.
you're not an engineer.
I feel like I'm in an episode of fucking The Office. You know, where like Jim's just looking at the camera like there, and then inverted it over here. That's no measuring at all.
You want to measure it?
Measure once, cut once.
Here you go. Here's a ruler.
Let me see how close you are. How far do you think away? How far away do you think it is?
Spot on.
Spot on.
Spot on.
Mil for mil. All right. So we're going. That's 2 centimeters from the edge of the top there.
Yep.
All right.
2 centimeters.
Okay, it's 2 centimeters. All right, it's 2 centimeters. I'll shut the fuck up then. You're a little bitch, you know that? Every time I try and catch you out, you just.
Look at that.
Wow. That's cool.
You know what, Richie? Meeting in the middle would look pretty cool.
Oh, yeah, opposite the logo. Yeah.
I think we do that.
Yeah. I mean, that way it kind of holds it up from the middle too.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's why I said it. I
He didn't
said
say
what
it.
I said because I said it. I meant it. Richard?
Is that a song? I don't know what you're saying.
Oh yeah, it's a song.
Written by Tuff Dan.
We should start a podcast.
I would get arrested.
I found if I just do nothing and let Daniel do all the work.
No, weaponized incompetence.
Exactly. I do it in relationships. That's a joke.
Where's my ruler?
Give me a piece of paper.
No, the actual ruler. Man, I don't want to do this dodgy. I want to do it properly for you.
Thanks, man. That's the first and only nice thing you said.
Yeah, I didn't mean it.
You'll lift it?
Yeah, yeah.
You want to do something?
For once, it would be nice.
Alright, and that's the mod installed, everybody.
Alright, I'm going home. Have fun putting it back on the car.
Who said you were allowed to go home?
Right, now do you want to try and get that off?
Yeah, what do you mean try? I thought you just come off?
Yeah, but we bolted it in between, remember?
Yeah, so how the f*** are you taking it off?
Well, we got to take it back off.
You dead ass?
What, you think I'm joking?
Why did we just take it off in the first place?
Since when was Daniel sarcastic?
Take it off. You would just take it off, would you?
I would.
Wow, it's almost like I said that before.
I didn't want to scratch it because then I have to listen to you win.
I don't give a shit about the thing, I just don't want to do it again.
This guy, man.
This guy, man. Can't believe this, man.
Very basic, Richard.
Thanks, that's the literal look I was going for.
Actually?
No.
Because you nailed it.
Did I?
Yep. Looks so good.
Thanks, man.
It actually does look good.
Well, you were being sarcastic first, and now I don't know if you actually mean it or not, so...
Get out of my head.
Yeah, get out of my head! Get out of my head!
I actually like it.
Do you?
Yes. Have you seen the VX, man? Are you done?
Yes.
Yeah, let's get it back on the car.
Yeah!
How much heavier now?
Yeah, it's all that downforce.
All the performance.
Pure dragster drag car things. Wow, it is actually a lot heavier.
Yeah, that looks sick.
Damn! Is that putting upwards? Up force? Up force?
It's alright. It'll bend when you hit a curve.
Look at this. It has been done. It is the first chassis mounted front. Was that a lot of end? I didn't see it. I can't wait to hear that from the drivers. Anyway, it's,
Any of the work.
I will do the other part. Let me jack off the car. Anyway.
Step one to jacking off your car.
Anyway, so look at that. Look how nice that looks. So cool, so pristine, so lovely. Wow. All right, now for the side skirts. I'm going to take the plastic off first. No, come over here and help me. Come over here and help. The shit that I have to do.
Richard.
It's the brakes. I watch this
Clean
every
your car.
I watch it every week.
Week.
It rained.
Once a week.
Mamma mia.
Italian raid.
Mamma mia. I cannot believe it.
Why are you using this pissy ass jack?
Where's the other jack? I was looking
It's
for.
right over there.
No, it is not.
Well, it is because that's where I put it.
Well, no. No, I refuse.
This one's going to bend in half.
Where's the other one? Where? Oh, it is there. Is that the max height?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, we need the other one.
Womp womp.
Womp womp. Hurry up and help me.
I'm going to go home.
No. Alright.
I reckon it's going to sit out about there.
About here.
Yeah.
Chuck it in the door. We'll just hold it, you screw it in, Dunskies.
I need to drill holes every so often.
Okay, that works. I'm hungry. Hurry up, I'm gonna eat. I'm a starving African child.
Mean.
Why the f is it in black and white?
Richard, why don't you do anything? And you know, do something and I get told off. Is that gonna fold out or is that gonna what?
I don't know.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take the E-wing off because E-wing did not send this to me. So, I don't think we should rep them. Sorry, E-Wing. If you send us more stuff, then we'll chuck your sticker on. This fucking guy. Check out, come back, bring your head back. Check out the Tuff Collective.
You know what? They would look so good if it wasn't 4 fucking feet in the air.
It's on lowering springs.
You had me fooled.
It's on.
All we have to do is we all have to sit in it again. That'll fix it.
Yeah, Daniel, get your fat ass out.
Do the other side by yourself.
No.
Is it lined up? The back of this is lined up with the leg?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. And it's the right leg?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just smidgen out.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia! I'd like one Whopper and one more Whopper.
Alright, Richie. We're getting somewhere.
Yeah, just keep all the screws in and keep screwing them in. I don't know why I said it would take so long. It's actually really easy. Just get Dan to do it all. I don't know why he complains so much. I literally have no idea why he complains so much. Hurry the f*** up!
What?
No, just put him in. No, put him in.
No.
Come on. It's okay, please. Please. But I'm just a girl in the world.
Only someone washed it.
Did wash it. I wash it all the time.
Once a month.
Once a month. Whoa, look at that. That actually looks sick. Look at that.
What a catch.
Thanks. Yeah. It looks so good. Water don't even stick. Get back over here.
Close out the episode.
No, get over here. I do the outro. What do you think?
This is my $38 Ford Falcon, and we're going to jump on the bottom.
No.
Oh no, that's the other.
It's the free
This
one.
is my free Falcon.
No, I'm going to jump off the board. Alright, what do you think, Daniel? I actually really like it.
I think.
Nice and smooth.
Don't call me on your way home when the whole bumper comes off. This is
Yeah.
actually very nice.
I actually really like it.
I'm not sure about the
front,
the fangs.
Yeah. I did say they should go out. Was Richie right? Always.
I don't think so, because if they went out, there would be nothing supporting the middle.
Yeah.
And
So-
this is V8 supercar spec.
Yeah, I might get extensions so that way it doesn't pull up as much. So that's kind of annoying, but
Did you go tighten them?
yeah, they're tight.
How much did you pay for it in total?
$250 and delivered to my house. Right?
Not bad.
Yeah. How much would you pay for those? No, never mind. I don't want to ask anymore. Yes. Daniel, what are you doing? Anyway, yes, I know. The Canva video has 1,000 likes. Everyone keeps commenting, and it's really
Getting on your nerves.
getting on my nerves. All right, bags are coming sometime in the future because we're trying to get.
They're not.
They are sometime.
Richie's a tight ass and won't spend the extra $500.
It's not $500.
That's $3.5 grand. Same.
Same. Anyway, if you know any bag company that want to work with us, chuck us a discount or something. I don't know. We'll install your bags. Also, this video is sponsored again
Bye.
Tuff Collective.
Damn, those guys are great.
Yeah, those guys are great for sponsoring us again. If you guys want any stickers, jumpers, t-shirts, we've got crop top hoodies, crop top jumpers for the ladies out there.
What else have we got?
We've got jet tags.
Yeah. What else have we got?
We've got Dan. We've got Spot. We've got Attitude. We've got Hunk and Spunk.
I don't know what the f he's on about.
Anyway, check it all out. Links in the description. If you like what you see and you want to see more,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
And yeah, Richie owes bags, man. Get the bags.